Why do 70% of businesses struggle to keep loyal customers? It's all about the traffic triangle. Picture this. You're throwing a party. You've got to get people in the door, keep them entertained, and make sure they leave talking about it. That's the traffic triangle in a nutshell. First up, traffic generation. This is your invite. Social media blasts, ads, SEO, anything to get people to your site. Without traffic, your party's a flop. Next, engagement. Once they're in, keep them hooked. Think of this as your killer playlist and mouth-watering snacks. Content that's relevant and interactive turns visitors into fans. Finally, conversion. This is the after-party talk. Your fans should love the experience so much, they can't help but buy and tell their friends. Think exclusive offers, awesome customer service, and follow-ups. So there you have it, the traffic triangle. Generate, engage, convert. Master this, and your brand loyalty will skyrocket. Now go throw that legendary party.